Morning guys, July 8th, 2026. I had to winterize the house, and I guess he had his friend go over there and change a faucet. And I think the garbage disposal drain's got an issue where it connects to the garbage disposal. Look at the guy didn't even sand it like I would have. Talking about that connection there, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? You probably just have to put a Desenko on there, glue a Desenko and cut this riser. I like to put brass nuts on these so they don't crack. I could fix that easy enough. It's kind of a shit job, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's a shit job, Mama. There's a Desenko, we can just put it right in there, just, change these nuts to brass. That'd work. Oh yeah, look at that, just popping off there, that ain't good. That's gonna be a leaker. You know that's gonna be a leaker. Oh yeah, it popped right off. That's not the greatest setup in the world. Let's take these bolts off, see what that gasket looks like. I got other gaskets in the truck if I need them. Newer gaskets for that. There's a rubber gasket in there. Sometimes it goes bad. I got new ones. Yeah, she don't look bad, actually. That's all the rubber gasket. Don't look like you used the thing much, I'll tell you. Looks brand new. Wow. Alright, let's clean this up. Do it the proper way. This is not the greatest. This is not the greatest. If it calls me in to fix it, I might as well give him something worthwhile billing, right? We'll do it right. It's not ideal. We'll put a male adapter in there and glue that in there. And then we should be able to make sure this isn't enough. I might have to cut some of this off, but just for now, something like that where we need to be. More or less, Yeah, I need a longer piece. I need a little bit long, another waist elbow, something a little longer. That's fine, we'll do a little glue job on there and this is the primer that glows if you put a light to it, but it's clear. It's a new code now. Instead of using the purple shit, because the stuff's really nasty, and use ultraviolet. Glue that on. I'm gonna need a little longer piece. I got another one out of the truck. They call that a waist elbow. Put a new one on there. Make sure these are tight, because if not, your glue gets all compromised. Get a couple of brass nuts and ferrule nuts. This will be brass. Change this to brass, because if not, what happens is the vibration of the garbage disposal can crack these. They're not brass, so I just need a little bit longer piece. They say the brass nuts are important to have so you don't crack them. And this is going to have to be, I might have to cut this. It'll be fine. It'll be good. And this all looks good. This gasket looks new, so that don't even look like you even used the flipping thing, to be honest with you. So, that's good. He called me to come in and fix it properly, so I might as well give him a good job here. You're paying me to come in here to fix it, so I'll give him the old how you doing? I was like, really, he can't be using this thing much because it's look brand new. Like I said, them plastic nuts sometimes will crack. That's why the brass nut won't crack. I don't like cracking a nut, right? Just gotta make sure when you get these on there, you get them on there right, because you don't want to cross-thread them. Make sure they go on properly, or you'll strip it. You don't want them going on crooked. see it leaking. As long as it don't leak, Mama, we're good. And these brass nuts, they won't crack like the plastic ones do.